Without biodiversity, human life will cease to exist. The Canadian Coalition for Invasive Plant Regulation wants our leaders in industry to know we're losing the race against time. 1 in 5 wild species is in danger of disappearing from Canada. That's 5,000 mammals, birds, plants, bees, butterflies, and insects. Invasive plant species have increased by 15% over the last decade, adding to the problem. When invasive plants displace native plants, they disrupt key relationships, including food supply. Invasive ornamental plants are largely not regulated in Canada and can be purchased in stores. Consumers buy them only to find out they negatively affect the environment, the economy, and human health. Right now, there is no legislation to prevent high-risk invasive plants from coming into Canada or to reduce the sale to consumers. We need legislation to protect our biodiversity. Canada has agreed to a UN framework to reduce invasive species by at least 50% by 2030 to protect our biological diversity. But our government has no concrete way to prevent ornamental invasive plants from spreading in Canada. For 20 plus years, very little has changed. CCIPR wants government action now. Canada needs improved legislation. Canada needs a risk assessment database. Canada needs better labels on plants. Canada needs funding for public education. Canada needs the horticultural industry to adopt a national voluntary code of conduct. Our biodiversity needs to be protected. We need our government to act now.